out there. Wishing you a delightful evening. Hope you all doing great. Starting today's video with showing off my sticker collection. I don't have plenty of them, but these are quite useful for journals and cards. I'm going to make a bookmark today, but before that, let's take a look at these bookmarks which I made previously. Now let's make a bookmark based on Albus Dumbledore from Harry Potter. All you need is just a cardboard or any hard paper. I'm using stickers which is printed on sticker paper. It looks real and beautiful. This triangle represents Phoenix, who is Dumbledore's trusty companion in Harry Potter. Phoenix is an immortal bird associated with Greek mythology and oftenly seen in fantasy movies and novels like Harry Potter and so on. According to some people, Phoenix had peacock-like coloring, but Phoenix being red and yellow is more popular. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you again and have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.